All right, so we're gonna tin the wires right now. If you don't have this stuff, you should get it. It's called No Clean Flux. And what this does is that it allows, basically what it does is that it removes the oxidation from the surface, from whatever you're trying to solder. So just make things a lot easier for you. So let's see. So solder is reheated up. The iron's heated up, I mean. Yeah, I'm just trying to hold my breath right now because lead-based solder. I mean, yeah, it is technically not good for your health, but it does flow a lot better than non-leaded solder, of course. Actually, just flip this whole thing around. A lot easier. So yeah, kind of hard to solder, record at the same time. You can be pretty liberal with this stuff. As for your question as why I put more solder, it just flows better, like a lot better. A little bit of overflow right here, no big deal. Yeah, this iron's only about 68 bucks on Amazon. It's pretty cheap, but really powerful, as you can see, for such a compact iron. It really gets the job done. All right. So wires are tinned. We're gonna move on to soldering the bullets now.